Welcome back. We are covering number 9 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. Hopefully this will improve your productivity in your meetings that you're either attending or driving and owning yourself. And number 9 for this week is choose a different paper style. So I'm going to jump over to OneNote here. And again, you saw that we could insert stickers and you saw that we could write on things. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to go over and I'm going to change. What we're going to cover today is changing the background paper. So we're going to go to view, and then so if we're at home, as you can see, and then we're going to move over here to the menu to view. Okay, and then you see a bunch of different options up here at the top. You can choose the paper color, but right now we're just going to focus on choosing the paper style. And so we also a couple of videos ago we learned how to actually write, even though I was using the mouse pad or the smart pad on my Mac. Again, you got the gist of it. But if you have a tablet or an iPad or a what Microsoft Surface or whatever it is, and it has a stylus, maybe you still like the feeling and the option of writing and using that style and writing your notes. And we'll cover some other options that you have there as we go. But right now, I'm just going to show you how to change the background, which will help you with that if you wanted to do that, right? So again, right now we have none, and then we're going to go over here and just choose the line method here, right? And so I'm going to actually go and change this just to this color, 15 millimeter, and then we're going to go and you can kind of see here, if you like the lines here, you can do that. Let's go back over to view and let's change it to a different style here. Maybe you need larger lines there. All right, so there's a few options that you have here. So I'll take a little bit and go over that, right? So you have the different sizes of lines, and then you also have grid sizes, right? And you can go very small and detailed, and you can go very large here. So if you wanted to, just kind of keep track of numbers and things like that, you have that option as well too. So a couple of different options for you. And again, this is not rocket science. I'll go ahead and erase these things. Again, I'll show you how one more time to insert the paper. So we're going to go back over to, I'm going to click the pen, I'm going to go back over to view. I'm going to change the paper just as it's done one more time. So if you're at the home menu, you go from home to view, and then you'll see the paper style over here. And then you'll click on the various lines, okay, that you want to choose. You can click on lines like that, or if you want to go with a grid pattern, you can use that. And then again, if you wanted to actually change the line color, you could do that. I'll just show you that real quick. Oh, it's not showing up very well there, but anyway, you get the gist of it. So I'm going to go back and change it to none. And again, at the beginning of the video, I normally ask you to do me a favor and click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button. But I didn't get a chance to do that at the beginning, so I'm going to ask you to do it now. So, and then also the playlist for this whole series is in the description as well. So you can go back, if you missed some of the other ones, you can go back and check this out. But again, the purpose of this, because I see so many people still taking notes via analog, which is not bad. But again, Microsoft OneNote allows you to search for things. And then you don't have to worry about leaving your notebook there. Typically, you'll have your laptop and so many more benefits. So that's going to do it for this week, and we will see you at the next video.